Okay, so this is at Kyle Barkman's in the attic. This is the indoor unit right here. We've got it all set. Want to add some extra plywood right here for access. And then also right here, this is the return plenum. We're going to cut it down to fit onto this filter box here. There's your 7/8, 3/8 line set. There's your drains coming up right there. All that's within about 6 feet, 7 feet of the indoor unit. Also, we may not use this squared around right here. I've got it here, but thinking about building a special fitting for the supply side to tie the 14-inch to come right across there like that, and then to bring the 12-inch down into it. I don't know exactly how to do that for sure yet, but I'm going to think about it some. Come up with a solution. We can actually move this unit back a little bit further yet because we're going to cut this down to 24 inches, and this is right now like 27 inches off the wall, so we can actually push that back a little bit further yet to gain some extra room to be able to do that. So that's one thing we need to figure out in the process here. I'm going to take some better measurements and draw out this a little bit so we have an idea of what we're working with. Also, that 12-inch duct comes across there, return, and it's going to tie into the back right here. And this 18-inch return is going to go across here and come up like that right there into the box. And there may be very possibly a fresh air vent coming through the wall, and that will tie into the return on the system. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it up here. Right now it's pretty straightforward. It's just you got to make sure we've got all the reducers that are needed. We got an 18 to 16 reducer here. We got that's an 18 to 16. We have another, this is 16 to 14 and a 14 to 12. We've got an 18-inch takeoff. We got an 18-16Y if we want to try to use that for our supply connection. And we've got a return plenum. So ductwork wise, we've got a lot of materials. Now one thing we will have to bring a little bit more hard duct out maybe, because we got to tie in the 6-inch and the 6-inch over there into those 14s to supply the bathroom and this bedroom. So we do have to do that yet, and we don't have the damper takeoffs here for that. We forgot to leave them here, so we will need to bring that. And we have the insulation right here, some bubble wrap insulation cut big enough for this return plenum. So pretty much got everything. We don't have these pieces of metal right here to span off for whatever we connect to if we need to span that off and cap that off. But yeah, that's pretty much everything as near as I can tell. So all came together fairly nicely, and I'm gonna pause and go down there and video some of that yet. Okay, so I'm looking at this, and I'm looking to see, it looks like I can put a Y right here, but I don't know. I have to think about this a little bit. And also I have a 14-inch elbow there, one 14-inch elbow and one 12-inch elbow right there.